Today, we're exploring the journey of Jonah Hill, the two-time Academy Award-nominated actor and filmmaker who rose to fame as the quintessential comedic lead of the 2000s. From his breakout in Superbad to critically acclaimed roles in Moneyball and The Wolf of Wall Street, his career has been a masterclass in versatility. However, his path has also been defined by a deep commitment to mental health, leading to a significant step back from the public eye. So, where is Jonah Hill now? Let's find out. Jonah Hill first captured hearts as the lovable, foul-mouthed teen in 2007's Superbad. While he quickly became the face of a comedy era with hits like 21 Jump Street, he soon proved his dramatic weight with 2 Oscar nominations. Despite his success, Hill struggled privately with the intense media scrutiny regarding his body image and weight, which he has described as brutal and a major trigger for his anxiety. In recent years, he has transitioned into a respected director, releasing the skate culture film Mid-90s and the 2022 documentary Stutz, which features raw, vulnerable conversations with his real-life therapist, Phil Stutz. In 2022, Hill made the bold decision to stop promoting his films to protect his mental health, stating that public-facing events and press tours exacerbated his anxiety attacks. This choice was followed by personal milestones, including welcoming a child with his girlfriend, Olivia Millar, in May 2023. However, his personal life also faced scrutiny when his ex-girlfriend, Sarah Brady, shared alleged text messages from their relationship in July 2023, accusing him of being emotionally abusive through his use of boundaries. While Hill has not publicly responded to the allegations, he has remained focused on his private life and his creative work behind the scenes. Where is Jonah Hill now? As of now, Jonah Hill is living in Los Angeles and is currently deep in production on several major film projects. Most notably, he was spotted filming his upcoming comedy Cut Off in Los Angeles in October 2025, appearing in a shaggy blonde wig and colorful costumes alongside co-star Kristen Wiig. Hill is not only starring in the film but also serving as its director, producer, and co-writer. The movie, which also stars Bette Midler and Nathan Lane, is currently scheduled for a worldwide theatrical release on the 17th of July 2026. In addition to Cut Off, Hill recently wrapped filming on Outcome, another directorial project for Apple Studios that stars Keanu Reeves and Cameron Diaz. On a personal level, Hill recently celebrated his 42nd birthday on the 20th of December 2025. He continues to maintain a noticeably slimmer physique, which he attributes to a healthy lifestyle involving surfing, jiu-jitsu, and a dedicated diet plan, rather than fleeting trends. He remains committed to his relationship with Olivia Millar, with the couple continuing to raise their young child away from the media spotlight. Jonah Hill has transformed from a comedic star into a multi-hyphenate filmmaker, prioritizing his mental well-being over the traditional Hollywood machine. While he may no longer walk red carpets or sit for traditional interviews, his creative output is more ambitious than ever as he continues to tell stories both in front of and behind the camera. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on how your favorite stars have redefined their lives and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.